Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I'm Fuziatul Norsyiha binti Ahmad Shukri will present on analysis of common error in solving convergence of power series using ratio tests. In mathematics, instructor always guide the student on understanding the problem and the methods to solve it until they got the correct solution. Students often rely on instructors for examples while practicing their exercise. Okay, Newman's error analysis or NEA also being used to analyze students' error in solving mathematical problems. NEA classification errors contains reading, comprehension, transformation, process skill, and encoding errors. Okay, there are two objectives of this study. First, to give insight to the instructors on the common errors done by the students in solving questions with long set of solutions. Second, to find out the number of percentage and the level of students' mistakes using Newman's error analysis. Okay, for our methodology, this study involved 90 students of University Technology Mara Permatang Pau campus who are taking further calculus for engineers MAT 455 course. The samples were not random. Student answer script was checked through and their error were categorized using percentage for each error. And descriptive method is used to find out the variables and condition of error in student mathematical solving answer using Newman's error analysis. What is Newman error analysis or NEA? Okay, it consists of 5 steps which are: first step is reading and decoding. In this step, we refer to a student's ability to read a problem and determine the terms or symbols in a query. Second step, comprehension. We examine the student's comprehension of the symbols, expressions, and problem presented in the questions. Third step, transformation. We refer to students' ability to choose suitable formula or methods to solve problems. Fourth step, process skill. Okay, we explore of student process skills in solving problems, including whether the procedure or operation they use is correct or incorrect. And the last step is encoding. We examine the student's ability to generate and explain their answer. Okay, this study concentrates on convergence of power series using ratio tests. Ratio tests can be used to find interval of convergence of power series, and this is the definition of ratio test. Okay, the formula of ratio test is R equal to limit n approaching to infinity modulus of an plus 1 over an. If R less than 1, then the series is converged. If R bigger than 1, then the series is diverged. And if R equal to 1, then the series is neither convergent nor divergent. Means that they are required a different test. Okay, this table shows 6 steps in solving convergence of power series using ratio test. First, student understand the question and able to write the ratio test formula. Second, find an and an plus 1, then substitute into the formula correctly. Next, change the fraction by multiplying the reciprocal of the fraction. And next, factorize function of x correctly before solving the limit. And next, solve the limit based on any technique required. And last one, student able to conclude the interval of convergence for x. Okay, this slide shows the sample of student solutions. Okay, as a result, we have categorized the error based on NEA and step of solution mentioned in previous slide. And this is the result for percentage of student error. Highest error was on transformation category, which is 38%. And encoding category, also 38%. Students were good in reading category, 5% and comprehension category 2%. Okay, this study shows that in solving convergence of power series using ratio test, students did 5 errors which are reading error, comprehension error, transformation error, process skill error, and encoding error. So as a conclusion, instructor should focus on transformation error and encoding error as these are the common parts that students got wrong. Instead of giving only examples, instructor could give an extra attention on these parts. Okay, these are the references for our study. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.